Hey everybody, call me Felix, and last I left you, we spent our afternoon by the floating cottages and La Virgen Milagrosa Chapel in the border town of Badoc, in the northwest Philippine province of Ilocos Norte. After a fantastic breakfast at a legendary carinderia in Laoag City, complete with lechon, sinanglao, beef kilawen, and crispy dinuguan, our afternoon in Badoc was a lazy one, as we were discouraged to venture out on an island hopping trip to Badoc Island. And there wasn't much to record here except Warren snorkeling by the Badoc floating cottages and finding a good-sized jellyfish. From then on, we headed back to Laoag and finished our day with dinner at another well-known landmark restaurant in the city, the Eagle's Nest. And it's not difficult to spot, with its Balinese Moroccan inspired architecture, right by the similarly designed Java Hotel. Walking through the restaurant makes you feel like you're in another world, as if you took Bali and the Enchanted Tiki room from Disneyland and mashed them up into this restaurant. The menu at the Eagle's Nest is an extensive one, specializing in classic Ilocano cuisine. But there's another thing that Eagle's Nest has a long menu of: booze, and lots of it. There's a pretty deep menu of hard liquor, including the really expensive stuff like Remy Martin XO, and hard-hitting shooters and cocktails as well. Well, we wound up getting gloriously wasted, and that video took on a, racier term. If you watch the end of my Badoc Floating Cottages video, I promised I would stitch one cohesive video out of that night's dinner and the one from 5 days prior, which was more wholesome and had Ilocano folk songs. I decided just to leave them as two videos and give you the earlier, more family-friendly review video for now. If there's enough demand for it, I'll release what I'll call the Eagle's Nest Dirty Bird take. We had some really good food at the Eagle's Nest, and there's one dish in particular that really got me raving. Keep on watching to find out what this special dish was. Okay, first appetizers have arrived. This plate of calamares. Ooh, look at that. Looks good. Looks really good. Well fried, look at that batter. Looks thin, looks crispy. And then they have this. Oh yeah, plenty of sweet chili sauce. Oh, very hot. So we're having pulutan because drinking beer, of course. What better companion but fried food? Yeah, the calamari, firm and fresh. That batter, of course, is not too heavy. Unfortunately, they didn't have any chicharon bulaklak, which is what I wanted for pulutan, but we have the next best thing: crispy bagis, the crispy pork intestines. The bagis has a little bit of funk, but I love how crunchy it is all the way through. Yeah, really tasty. Here's the onion. Onion, of course, adds some more freshness. And it does take a little bit of the funk away as well. But I really like that crispy texture. So we're off to a good start with our pulutan round. Ooh, look at the rice. Wow. Even the rice looks awesome.
Excuse sir?
That's their special.
Yeah, I know. Eagle's Nest fried rice.
Are you sure?
Chop suey.
Oh, look, it looks good. This is the one that I ordered.
The boneless chicken barbecue?
Yeah.
That does look good.
I told you.
Ooh, look at that.
Look at that.
Bagbet. Ooh.
Did I take a photo of the bagnet?
Sizzling beef.
Ooh, sizzling beef. Oh, that's for you. Well, the food looks here stunning, and then we have this musical ambiance in the background. Okay, I know what I want most. I want soup.
Of course you do.
Yeah, it's been a while since I had bulalo. Well, except for that one time at Kubo Laluhan.
And it was good.
And that place was good, so good. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, look at the gelatinous right there. Wow, it's so rich. Ooh, and the bone. Look at that bone. Yeah, there's some potato in here. That looks so good. Long Island is you, Warren.
Me? Oh.
Yeah. A Long Island iced tea. Warren, that's your very first cocktail in your life.
Looks like
Okay, while Warren is imbibing there with his first ever cocktail, I don't care because I see Bulalo.
I'm scaring him. I was like, good luck.
Yeah, exactly. Oh my gosh, look at that beef. I think that's too. I think I got so much here. They're singing happy birthday back there behind me of the band. And once again, I want beef soup.
Bagnet bong.
That's what I want.
America.
Look at that.
dito. Gupubra ka lang po na.
Yeah, gelatin. Yeah. I mean, the first bite I got, I mean, there's nothing wrong with that. There's just a big blob of beef gelatin. I didn't even try the broth out on itself. Because that's all I cared about was that beef gelatin. So I'll try it out. I think it's beefy. Yeah, the soup broth is, it is not oily, yet it's really gentle and yet really beefy. Okay, we got interrupted by the band.
Wow.
Ooh, la la. Oh my goodness, I think you're sipping that Long Island iced tea too quick. The Bulalo's pretty good. Okay, guess you talked me into it. Boneless chicken barbecue. I'll get some rice later, but I'll just try all the entrees first. Mr. Future President requests Ilocano music.
If they're good, Tito will give them tip.
You have to give them tip, Mr. Future President.
Okay.
That's the way this works. Guy kapidig, yes!
1,000. Simga kapitig.
Selection so
Alas,
far.
simga kapitig.
Bless you. I don't know if they know that song, Dad.
I will insist.
But the boneless chicken barbecue is actually pretty good. It's got a full-on soy sauce flavor. And the meat,
Compared
it's
to
good
the
texture.
Compared to the inasal that we had at the other restaurant.
Oh, this is miles better than that
I know.
inasal. So if you checked out that video about Grandpa's Kitchen about inasal, there's really no comparison. The chicken here at Eagle's Nest, the boneless chicken, is actually
You asked them.
pretty dang good. He's teaching him the song!
Wow.
Simga kapitig.
Oh my god!
Kahit nagsaad ka.
You ever watch that movie Casablanca? This is way better than that. Oh!
Di may saban
Oh.
ka. Buti ayaw. Kapatiran.
Louder!
Lamuti kinaay-ay. Nalidnot kay iyayo. Dito akay. Naritisin tao na. Sot lang yan ilaw. Kita dalos sa pusong. Ayat mo't mamasasambay. Isya sinuman na umay tumanaw.
Oh boy!
God, I forgot the
Warren!
lyrics.
You haven't even drunk like crazy yet!
Yeah.
Ooh la la, what is this? Well, hello, crispy pata.
They're from Laoag, so they're singing Bali na instead.
More crispy pata. Ooh la la.
Oh, this is tuna belly.
Ooh la la.
Looks good.
Looks really good. Grilled tuna belly. Oh, Bihon and Dinuguan. Okay, entertainment's done, which means that we want
Nasaba ko na
some
lang
food.
yung
Ooh, look at the crispy pata.
Na?
I'm gonna try this without sauce because I'm hankry for some fried food.
Don't publish my singing, okay?
It makes the outtakes.
The future president,
Mr. Future President will be on the outtakes reel. Yeah, the bulalo is good. Crispy pata, I think.
I'm enjoying
It's crispy, it's crunchy, and it's fatty. Look at
I don't care how much I spend. I'm
and
enjoying.
look at the black pepper. The black pepper is also suffused into the meat. Look at that. Where is our crispy pata sauce? I don't know if they have any.
They have the soy sauce.
Oh, there it is.
Bring it here, maybe.
Yeah, I'll give it. I'll bring it. Look at that. Okay, so I got me a drink.
Thanks so much.
Oh my gosh, Warren. It's like worse. He drank that Long Island iced tea in like... It's more like short 15-minute...
I want more.
10-minute... Oh my goodness. He drank that in like 10 minutes.
Ananggal, Red Horse for now.
Bye-bye, Long Island iced tea. Okay.
This one.
I think we're having too much of a good time and I have not gotten drunk yet. So, I have not reviewed this thing properly either. But I really like the moisture of the and the fattiness of the crispy pata. That's good. Yeah, it's quite unctuous, that crispy pata. What do you think, Dad, about the crispy pata?
Oh. Where's crispy pata?
This is
Right, you're eating it right now, Mr. Future President.
Okay.
So I think I got me a what they call a zombie, which is 2 types of rum, dark rum, 151 proof rum, and some juice. Some juice.
It's orange juice, I think.
Orange? Yeah, that's a bunch of citrus. Yeah, it's like a very rummy Four Seasons. Yeah, there's... What you hit first is that alcohol. Holy shnikes. And then it finishes sweet, like Four Seasons. Like a really robust Four Seasons drink.
Crispy pata.
Eagle's Nest fried chicken. Look at that. It looks like... I think they said whole fried chicken, but thankfully it's nothing but wings,
You
drumsticks,
missed my
and
singing, you
thighs. Yeah.
Oh, I heard it.
Oh, you were there?
Audrey put the speaker on so I can hear you.
Okay.
Put it on.
Let's try that chicken out.
Yeah, you were heard of every...
Oh, you know what she calls this place? I go, where's the zombie going at? And she goes to Lover's Deck. This is Lover's Deck. And I go, what the hell is Lover's Deck? Oh, because they got lovebirds.
Yeah, not in that way, Ben. Okay.
You're not drinking anymore, Ben?
Oh, no, I
more?
got mine coming. She's kind of a little tied up, but...
It's kind of like a little bit like soy sauce Chinese fried chicken in a way. Yeah. It's basically like soy sauce fried chicken. It's almost like savory, except it doesn't have like the Chinese 5-spice or clove or anything with that.
It's a little sweet.
Yeah. Now, unfortunately, we let this sit out a little bit longer, but it's pretty good. I think we should get some Eagle's Nest fried rice for our next thing, which is, we'll try this bagbet next, which is a mixture of pinakbet and bagnet fried pork. Ooh. So this fried rice comes grounded with egg, carrot, looks like Java rice, and then, longanisa, I think?
No, we didn't have longanisa. It was ground pork.
Ground pork. Oh, okay. Still luxurious. Really luxurious. Ooh, la
Still have
la.
another...
These people keep talking out of turn. I'm gonna have some
That's
bagnet.
yours? That's your knife?
Yeah, I don't leave home without it. I always take it with me.
Jeez
In the
Louise,
States,
okay.
I take a bigger one.
All right.
They have no damn
Bagnet
knife, man.
and-
What the hell?
Chili.
I bet you also cut the wood thing.
Oh, boy.
Because it looks-
Yeah, you're gonna bring a Bowie knife with you. All right. Getting some sweet ginger out of that pinakbet.
That is
Gravy.
kinda hard to slice, dude.
Oh, yeah?
And then a little bit of that chili adds a little more sweetness, a little more of a vegetable flavor. Yeah, it feels like it's suffused with ginger.
Baba Ben at your service.
Okay, this is the sizzling beef, although not so sizzling now, huh?
Ben.
Okay, let's time to shotgun all this food reviewing because Ben is getting distracted by women at the bar and
Hey.
he's half inebriated too. Okay, that beef kind of tastes like Chinese takeaway beef, but nice. Again, a little bit of a sweet soy sauce,
Oh, you tasted that?
reduced gravy.
Let me check this out.
I think else it's augmented by the onion and the pepper.
It looks like it's supposed to be for chopped suey, but there's no vegetables in it.
It kind of tastes like Chinese beef to me.
The beef is kind of hard. The fork
Yeah.
won't even stick to it.
Yeah, it's not exactly the most tender piece of beef. Where have we gone to yet? Next. Okay, Ben says the tuna belly is a little bit strong tasting.
Yeah, and the belly itself, the meat's good.
This is not peeling off so easy.
You need a knife?
Yeah, I could use a knife maybe, but I'll try this piece here. I guess I should say something about the rice, but I keep eating this other food. Now, Ben thought it has like a strong fishiness, but not really for me.
Yeah. It depends on the person.
But I think that could be more tender. So I think that's all the food I've reviewed. Oh, except the Bihon and Dinuguan. Okay, I'm gonna try that Dinuguan first and see how it goes, and then I'm gonna move in for that noodle with the.
I'll get it by myself. I don't need no help. I'll do it the American way.
Okay. Well, Ben's yapping. Here we go. We try this out.
Is she alone? Is there a partner?
Now,
The other one with man.
Well,
actually, what?
so this one's nice and fried garlicky. The intestine is almost like the consistency of chicharron bulaklak.
Oh, wow.
I love that sourness. Sour, rich, garlicky. Some bihon and some dinuguan. Let's see how this goes. I think
Wow.
that I like the intestine consistency. It's almost like chicharron bulaklak, except not as fried. But I really like the sourness out of the blood sauce
Yes, ma'am.
and the fried garlic. All right, all together now. I really dig the dinuguan. I think we gotta mix this up a little more. Man, Ben, next time I'm not inviting you if you're gonna freaking talk over my review.
Oh, you got a review. Behave. My bad. Oh, you're gonna edit that though, no? Anyway.
Of course I will.
Okay.
I have so much to edit now.
Okay.
Thanks to you. More work.
Oh, that's okay, man. You have more than. Oh,
Say
ask
it,
him.
go to the
Hey,
bar.
Can you ask him if he can get a zombie, please?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, there we go. All mixed up. All mixed up. You don't know what to do. Ben
Tell him
doesn't
to
know
put
if he
Audrey's
wants to go to the
little
bar
love in it.
and ask that girl out. And anyway, here you go. Bihon Dinuguan. I think that the noodles, I feel like they're a little extraneous and they're kind of not that thick.
So if you
To the
want
dish,
if I don't go home with you guys,
But then
I'm in good hands.
the sauce, I mean, what I really like is that bold dinuguan most. And then the bihon's basically just complimentary. I don't think
Is it crispy?
it's not super crispy. It's like because it's almost like chicharron bulaklak texture if you've left it out a little bit, but then it has that super rich, fatty, yolky kind of taste or
You know
texture.
what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna make myself a vlog.
All right, whatever. But
Booze traveler.
Booze Traveler, that's infringing on that Travel Channel show, isn't it?
Yeah.
With that guy who's like from Boston or
Oh,
something.
We have an Ilocano booze traveler.
Yeah, good luck with that. Alak Biahero. All the food in general is really good, but I think if I had to pick one dish that I really like, it was the dinuguan.
Really?
Yeah?
Yeah.
We're like, what?
You're like, what? Yeah.
So among everything, this is the favorite that you have.
Yeah. I don't know about the bihon, to be honest with you, but I can see it eats up all that sauce.
Which is why I was telling you, you just ordered a dinuguan separately.
Yeah,
You have
whatever.
to listen
But this
to a
was the
woman.
special. But it's
It
got...
has star too, doesn't it?
No, this one's the star.
Okay.
But it's garlicky, it's super punchy with the richness and the sourness of the blood. And it almost has, you know where I was saying it was too bad Now we don't have chicharon bulaklak, but to me, it's got that nice texture like chicharon bulaklak. I guess I will turn on the camera again if we get super drunk all together. I think these guys, Warren and Ben, are a bit,
Hati tayo, sir.
yeah,
Ha?
Hati tayo, sir.
they're a bit game for some more. Okay, camera off for now. All right, everybody. We got too excited about the booze, and so we've taken a lot of doggy bag out. So the only thing I have left to try for you is leche flan for dessert. Now, they don't really have dessert, except for a very limited menu. And to be honest with you, I've been drinking like Baileys and Kahlua, ice, whatever. A couple of shots. Which is already dessert, but here's dessert. Bailey's ice cream.
Leche flan.
Leche flan, yeah. I'm not drunk, it's just that I've gotten things confused. Okay, there we go. So this is the last thing I will try. And then I put a capper on this. Cut to voiceover. And I'm glad that it is sweet. Because if it isn't, it's just gonna taste too eggy for me. I don't like the egginess, really, of leche flan. But this place tastes plenty sweet. Enough syrup. There's not a ton of egginess there. So, yeah, I'm satisfied with that. Okay, so I'm gonna cut to voiceover now. And that wraps it up for our G-rated wholesome review of the Eagle's Nest restaurant in Laoag. Overall, the food didn't disappoint, but if I had to pick out a few favorite dishes of the night, they would be the crispy bagbages, Bulalo, and of course that Bihon and Dinuguan. Oh, and don't sleep on the boneless barbecue chicken, as it wasn't as boring as it sounded. Also have a cocktail or two, as the Eagle's Nest makes them as stiff as you please. Like I said earlier, I have another video of the Eagle's Nest which is much raunchier than this one, called the Dirty Bird Take, and I'll put it together if there's enough demand for it. And so if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, as that helps a lot, and better yet, subscribe for more of our food and travel related adventures, as we have plenty more to share. Keep cool but care, and remember, the empire never ended.